Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the recipient's carrier. This determines the SMS gateway address. Once you have the carrier, format the address as the 10-digit phone number followed by the carrier's SMS domain. That converts email to text. Now, log into Gmail and click Compose. In the To field, paste the formatted SMS address. Make sure your from name and signature are minimal because many carriers truncate long messages. Keep text concise to avoid split messages. You're ready for the next steps. Now you compose with SMS constraints in mind. Keep your text under 160 characters so carriers deliver one SMS rather than multiple segments. Once done, avoid attachments. Most gateways block images or files, so use plain text or short links. Make sure to include a short identifier at the start of the body if the recipient doesn't know you, because subject lines may be ignored. When finished, double-check number format and punctuation to ensure the message reads correctly on. Click Send and watch for immediate delivery, usually seconds to a few minutes. If the message bounces or never arrives, first verify the carrier and the 10-digit number formatting. A wrong domain causes failure. Once done, make sure Gmail isn't appending large signatures or forwarding rules that block delivery. If problems persist, try plain text only and resend, or ask the recipient to check blocked senders. A quick troubleshooting tip. Test by sending to your own phone to isolate Gmail versus carrier issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.